y'all.
Hey Gallivanters.
So we are in Paris. We actually got here last night. Yesterday was an ordeal, bad travel day, but we made it. Now we're walking around, and the first place we're gonna go in has lots of goodies, so we're gonna show it to you. Raspberry, strawberry, blueberry. Oh my goodness. Pistachio, lemon, mango. Sorry.
She has the goods.
I have the goods. They're all wrapped up. So.
Okay.
But we got 6 of them. We got 6 and they all look delicious, so we'll be trying them. And now, are we going to stroll around? Have you already told them where we are?
I have not. I was just taking some film of it.
So we are right across the street from the Louvre, and we went in it last time. So this is a quick trip, so we don't really have time. But I think we're going to walk through, let you guys see the pyramid and the courtyard, and then walk through the garden. So
here we go. All right, y'all.
We are in front of the Louvre, in the middle of the Louvre. The Louvre is all around us. This place is humongous. If you've never been here, make sure you understand the size of this place. I mean,
it is huge.
Huge, busy, crowded, but gorgeous.
You can spend
days
in here and probably still never see it all.
Yeah. You're now looking at the triumphal arch here at the Louvre, and it goes into the gardens, and then actually with a clear line of sight you can see all the way to the Arc de Triomphe, all the way up Champs Elysees from here, or from the arch. It's like a straight line.
And this is the Arc de Triomphe of the carousel. And Melinda gave you a little bit of background on this.
Straight ahead.
So now we're getting ready to go into the Tuileries Garden.
Yes. So it looks like there's tons of stuff here, so check it out.
Check it out. We'll get closer to the Arc de Triomphe.
One going towards La Defense. There's yours.
Ticket.
There's mine.
Ticket. So it says both ways, so. And there it is, the Arc de Triomphe.
Supposedly the tunnel is near here, but I don't know where.
I don't know if y'all can see that, but all the people at the very top, you take an elevator up and then you have to walk 46 more steps.
I think that's right. Got it on?
Yeah.
Go ahead and tell them.
Yeah. It's a little dark.
Well, this is the tunnel.
To the Arc de Triomphe.
Because you do not want to try and cross the roundabout. It'd be very dangerous.
Yeah, I got some shots of that. So if y'all see the shots, then you'll understand what we mean.
Yeah, so anyway, there is a tunnel that takes you across. Or under, I guess.
Yeah, under and across.
Hold on. We got a busker.
It's quite a long tunnel.
It is.
That's the Eiffel Tower. The twinkling Eiffel Tower. I'm hoping y'all can see that.
Alright, y'all, so we're not sure what we did other than we went through the tunnel and went all the way under the Arc de Triomphe and came out the other side. I guess we saw the ticket office, which we knew you needed tickets to go up to the top. So I don't know if that's where you can get out and go to the middle or not, and if you need tickets for that. So I guess we're going to walk back through and
see?
Figure that out. But just FYI, don't keep walking because you'll end up completely on the other side.
Exactly.
As you can see, we've just, yeah. Okay, y'all.
We made it.
We figured it out. So the halfway point is where you buy tickets to go up, but you can also come out to the area in the middle of the very loud, sorry about that, very loud and very busy roundabout. But we are here, and so I think we're going to just show you around for a minute. Alright, y'all, so that wraps up the first full day here in Paris, and we're losing light, and we have one camera that does not do well in low light and another camera that we've already eaten through the second battery for today. So we're going to wrap up today. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them below. We will have all this written up on our blog at gallivantinggals.com. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to see more of our videos, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when new videos come out,
Ring the bell, dingy dong.
and until next time, just remember,
Live your best life.
bye y'all.
See ya.